This is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5 minute or less video. I've been doing this a long time. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. So this August, yes, I will have been doing this for 50 years. Welcome to my channel. Many of you have come to me because you've seen me on TV a lot, and you can look at my team and my cast of characters at 777irs.com. You can see my team, my videos, and all the information about me. I do these videos for 3 reasons. So I educate you, I give you insider information from IRS, and really big so you don't really get scammed by people. So today I want to talk to you about what is the process of tax debt forgiveness and how does that work. I want to tell you that term, tax debt forgiveness, and we can settle your debt, and if you owe over $10,000, call us. That is the greatest marketing gimmick that's really going on, and I want you really to be aware of that. Just don't be reaching out to people because you see a nice ad on Google or Facebook or Instagram. You've got to really check those people out because there's a lot of fraud going on in our industry. So let me tell you the process of IRS tax debt forgiveness. To go ahead and get your debt really forgiven, you have to go ahead and file what's called an offer in compromise with Internal Revenue Service. Now for me, I used to work the offer program. I used to accept them and deny them, and Peter Salinger on my team has worked over 2,500 offers in compromise. So the two of us are really experts really in this industry. So what you want to do before you go ahead and reach out for tax debt forgiveness, you want to go to the IRS pre-qualifier tool at irs.gov and look up their pre-qualifier tool. Walk through that. You can do that in a minute or maybe 2 minutes, and you can tell whether you are a qualified candidate for an offer in compromise. So if you think you meet that criteria that you find at irs.gov, you then have to go ahead and choose who you want to go ahead and use. And I'm going to be very honest with you, the best way to do that is actually what you're doing right now through YouTube. See, when you click on those ads that you see, you don't know who that information is going to. Many times those are lead generation companies, and people are buying that information. So you don't know who's going to wind up calling you. At the end of the day, you want to be able to pick up the phone and actually talk to somebody about your problem. You want to give them the IRS financial statement that they're going to ask for. IRS is going to ask for the 433A OIC. You want to complete that form and give that to the professional who would be working your case. Now, the only person that could be working your case are either an attorney, a CPA, or an enrolled agent. Why is that? Because they're the only people who are authorized to speak on your behalf to the Internal Revenue Service. So if you're in the market of tax debt forgiveness and you think you qualify, you want to speak to someone who specializes in offer and compromise. Be really reluctant to hit the big firms because most of the money you pay go to advertising and to pay salespeople. So if you're interested in how that process works, I am a former agent. I'm an expert in the offer and compromise and the tax debt forgiveness. Go ahead and give us a call, and I'll give you a free consultation. Anyway, if you love this information, give me a subscription because YouTube just absolutely thrives on those. Thank you for listening. I appreciate the subscription, and have a good day.